Meredith. Meredith, hi.
Hi, Brian.
I'm having some issues. Apparently, there's a hair situation that's big talk on the set here, and I need some kind of trim. I'm stressing trim. I have some tools if you need some help. I brought these. I don't know if these are...
Those will work.
These or you bring your own tools, but I just need just a little. All right, so the cape.
I'll put the cape on. But I got it tucked down. Can I tuck you down?
Yep.
You ready?
Yes.
Is this okay?
Ow! Yes, that's right.
You don't want that too short.
No, I don't want it too short, but just I think, a 16th of an inch.
I got
Are we using the metric system? How short? Now, also, if you spot any blonde highlights, feel free to extract. Your tools here really are just sharp scissors and a super amazing comb. And what else? Anything else?
Wood glue.
Literal wood. I feel lightheaded now. There's just so much. I'm just a big baby. What do I want to tell you? That felt like a lot. Was it a lot?
Just a little.
If I hear you say oops, then I'll be a little worried. I saw a hairdryer. I don't suppose we're using that. I wouldn't imagine.
No, can I use it now?
Oh. I haven't used a hairdryer since 1984. Now here comes the wood glue. So is it just a hair product, but it's called wood glue? That's pretty funny.
It is. It may be discontinued, and then that might be why.
Doesn't smell like the kind of wood glue I use. That's for sure.
Ready?
Oh God. Yep.
It's a blow dryer.
Oh my God. Oh no, that actually is not bad. That looks great. I think it looks really good.
Oh, look, we can see your face.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was the whole point of the curls, to hide all this.
Oh.
All right.
That's the one.
Comes all the way from back there. I don't know if I've ever seen that before in my life.
Oh.
You probably won't feel like you for a little bit.
Oh, no, it's
starts
nice.
to flop in your eyes again.
Oh God, what are you doing?
Oh, that's...
No.
Yeah, that's...
No.
Yeah, that's
the
good.
whole point of the haircut.
And no itches either. That's fine work. I don't feel a thing. Well, let's see. I mean, that's not a lot.
That's it.
There's a couple big chunks back there, but thank you so much.
Thank you.